Oh. Fun and family fun pack.
Hi guys! Today we're gonna do a squishy video. We have all these fun squishy things.
I think I'm gonna start at the eyeball.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a surprise one.
Oh,
I could
whoa.
tell this one is squishy.
Is it so
shake
good? I'm gonna do this one.
Whoa.
Look at all that junk in there. It's popping out at you.
Hey, look. It looks like I got the Joker. It's stuck. It's like stuck. Can I try? It's awesome. And this guy's really twisted. Oh, look at that. I've never seen a tomato do that. Have you ever seen a man do this before? And now look at its weird looking smile.
Oh! Ew! He's on face. Hey, Didi, I love you. I love tomatoes. And I love eyeballs. I love happy faces.
Me too.
Hey, look, now I have twins. I wonder what this one's gonna be.
But we are twins.
Hey, look at this Captain America.
Ooh, cool.
Whoa.
Look what I got.
Oh, who's that? You know?
No.
No.
Some pink and gray person?
Oh, he looks
Oh,
like a
cute.
Oh, it's a little Dalmatian. If you shake this, you can hear the water inside. It's from Paw Patrol. It's the little puppy. Dog. That one's the Dalmatian puppy.
Look.
Twins.
Whoa.
It's so weird. Like we could squish it up like a piece of bread and nothing happens.
Hey, this is a cool. It's a squished eyeball.
Look at this sausage.
So cool.
That looks silly.
That's so cool.
This is an interesting one, huh, guys?
Yeah. Here's the cake. Ta-da! Well, let's do it to the pink one.
Let's squish it this way.
Look at the pie. It's so flat now.
That grows fast.
Look how flat the pie is.
I'm gonna see which one unsquishes faster. Ready? I think the orange one.
It's eating my finger.
It's a very flat carrot.
Stop! It's This is like a pillow. It's so warm. You're gonna poop in the toilet.
I'm gonna squish this good looking ice cream cone. See this tiny little container? Look what I fit in here. I fit this big thing and this tiny thing.
Look, it pops out. What the heck?
I put this in there. Oh.
This Paw Patrol guy has got water in there.
I fit two things. Got two things.
Yes.
I can't even fit one
I
thing.
actually fit this big pie and I fit a donut.
I bet you're wondering what's in here.
Whoa.
This fit in here.
This is actually really fun. Look at that.
There's the ice cream cone.
These both fit together in here. Look, I fit in here.
First I got this. And I got that.
I fit him. I fit him. And I fit this.
I'm gonna fit this corn in this red one. I have the biggest corn. Oh my gosh. I had to squish it.
Do you know what can actually fit in here?
Show me.
A donut and bread and that
4 things.
and that.
I made a guy. These feel like they're gonna pop, but they're totally not. Can you guess what this is?
Cycle's got
Ooh,
this.
it looks really cute actually.
We picked out a couple squishy things to cut open. We decided we want to see what's in the inside. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, which one's first?
I really want to do the eyeball. Here we go.
Oh!
Oh.
Is it water?
Oh my god. That's cool.
It definitely does not smell like water. Really?
Some kind of strange water.
This is really cool.
This one open.
Michael wants to cut a big one open.
It's hard to cut. You put it all the way across the neck. Yeah, that.
Oh,
Big
poor
Look
dinosaur.
at that.
Look at it.
Whoa! There's a bunch of beads.
Looks like there's still some.
Whoa.
You pooping out all the beads he ate yesterday. There's 2 different kinds of beads in here. There's white beads and clear beads. We're cutting the foamy ones now.
Is it hard or easy to cut it?
It's pretty easy. It feels cool. Look at the inside of these. It's really cool. It's almost kind of satisfying. Who wants a person? I'm cutting this little mushroom guy.
I can wait to see what's in it.
Let's see. Oh, that's interesting.
Cute.
Whoa, that's weird. Look at that.
Ooh.
That looks so cool. I know, that is awesome. This is the coolest one yet.
Yeah.
It's really sticky. Is it like marshmallow fluff? A little.
Looks like those guys are full of water too.
Just water stuff.
What do you think this one's gonna be like?
I don't know. Well, there's definitely no water or chemicals. Whoa, that's cool. It almost looks like smooth.
So it's kind of like rubber all the way through?
It's a teeny bit sticky. Let's see if we can cut this pony. Should I cut it on the neck?
Poor pony.
Aw.
Cut it on the leg. That's bad.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Water. There's water.
Oh, right through the eye.
There's chemicals.
That must hurt. Well, that's what it looks like.
Mama, you're the best.
Cool.
Please don't cut me. Oh, it's just a minor surgery.
Stop that!
Yeah, this one's all rubber inside.
Let's see.
It looks like there's nothing in it.
So this one was just all rubber. We're gonna cut the last 2 open.
Oh,
David!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, mine?
Which one's the best one to cut open?
Definitely the water. I think the mushroom was cool.
The water. Whoa, there's more. It looks like
I hope you guys liked watching our squishy video.
Thanks for watching.